What if I told you one of Canada's most breathtaking landmarks is hidden right in the heart of Old Montreal? From the outside, it looks like a beautiful historic church. But the moment you step inside, you'll discover a true masterpiece. Filled with deep blue ceilings, shimmering gold details, and stunning stained glass windows, unlike anywhere else in Canada. Today, let's explore the incredible Notre-Dame Basilica in Montreal. Located in the heart of Old Montreal, Notre-Dame Basilica is one of the city's most famous landmarks, attracting more than 1 million visitors every year. Whether you're passionate about history, architecture, photography, or simply love discovering beautiful places, this is one destination you shouldn't miss. The history of this site dates back to the 1600s, when Montreal's first parish church stood here. As Montreal continued to grow, the original church became too small for the city's population. Construction of the current basilica began in 1824 and was completed in 1829. Interestingly, it was designed by Irish-American architect James O'Donnell. He became so connected to the project that he later converted to Catholicism and was buried inside the basilica, making him the only person buried there. At the time it opened, Notre-Dame Basilica was the largest church in North America, becoming a symbol of Montreal's growing importance. The moment you walk inside, the first thing that captures your attention is the breathtaking deep blue ceiling, decorated with thousands of golden stars. Every detail inside has been carefully handcrafted. The wooden carvings are covered in elegant gold leaf, while the stained glass windows tell the story of Montreal's history rather than traditional biblical scenes, making them unique among churches around the world. The impressive Cassavant pipe organ contains thousands of pipes and fills the basilica with powerful music during concerts and special ceremonies. The lighting, colors, and intricate craftsmanship create an unforgettable atmosphere that leaves visitors speechless. Notre-Dame Basilica has welcomed royalty, world leaders, and millions of visitors over the years. One of its most famous moments came in 1994 when global music superstar Céline Dion married René Angélil here, bringing worldwide attention to this remarkable church. Today, visitors can also enjoy the spectacular Aura Light and Sound experience, where music, projection mapping, and lighting transform the basilica into an unforgettable visual journey. If you're planning a trip to Montreal, make sure Notre-Dame Basilica is at the top of your itinerary. It's more than just a church, it's a place where history, art, architecture, and culture come together in one extraordinary experience. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Would you visit Notre-Dame Basilica on your next trip to Montreal? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure across Canada.